Hey, so check this out, man. It's time to go off to the beaten path. You know, my channel is all about going into the hoods. I heard that the favelas is one of the most dangerous places to go in Brazil. That's what everybody tell me. But I want to find out myself. So let me see what's happening. Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Yeah, man, so I'm over here woofing, man. I gotta find me a barber shop, man, so I can get my day going, man. That's what a typical day like in Brazil, you know what I'm saying? Real talk, man. So, you know, once I get go to barber shop, man, you know, so give me a nice fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? After that, man, I'm gonna go grab me some breakfast, man, and yo, I might go to the favelas today. If I don't go to the favelas, I'm going way up on the mountaintop, you know what I'm saying? With that big image of Jesus at, you feel me? So it all depends, man. I'm kind of playing it by ear. But yeah, man, welcome to Brazil, man. You know what I'm saying? What's happening? Yo, check it out, man. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Today, I don't know, man. I heard a little bit, you know what I'm saying, but the favelas, man, could be a little dangerous. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hope it ain't what they say it is. Let's see what happens. So, about to take this trip in the favela, you know what I'm saying? With my partner Obi, man. So, Obi, what you think, man?
Yeah, man, the favelas are dangerous, bro. But you can take a chance. It's all on you, man. It's all on you.
Word. Let's do it, bro.
Favelas in Brazil, they stands for the projects or the inner cities you have in the U.S.
Word.
You know? But the favelas here, they were built by the people. So everybody who lives there, they build their own house.
Word.
You know, like they were built by the people, I would say. You know?
So it's kind of more like the poor people living in the favelas?
The low-income people, I would say, yeah. Like compared to the people who live in the city, the people there have a low income.
Okay.
You know, and the average salary for somebody living in a favela is in between $200 up to $500. That's the average. You can earn more than that, but it's the average.
Word.
You know? Pretty cool. You good to go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about these favelas, man.
So this is Obi-Wan, and I'm born and raised in Rocinha favela. It's one of the largest favela in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And I'm excited to show my brother around my neighborhood, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a great time today.
Word.
Stay tuned and let's go.
Shut up, bro.
So, about to go in the favela right now, man. It's all good, man. Like I tell people, I go off the beaten path, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It is what it is, cause there ain't no fun. You know what I'm saying? For me, if y'all want to sit on the resort, I get it. You know, a lot of people scared, but that's not how I roll. I like to go into the hood to see what they're up to in other countries, man. Real talk, man. Welcome to off the beaten path. That's how we move.
I gotta go get some drink, bro. Gotta get her ready.
I know a lot of people say they be off the beaten path. But the real question is, do you really be off the beaten path? I don't do resorts. Me personally, I like to hang with the locals and see how the locals really living. Welcome to Off the Beaten Path. This is when the situation got a little skeptical.